If you want to turn on or off service mode on the JBL Charge 6, then first of all you will have to connect cable into the charging port of this speaker, and right now you will have to use two buttons combination. So you will have to click play button and the Bluetooth button. By the way, before that you have to turn on the speaker, the cable have to be connected, and you have to connect this, for example, into your power adapter or into your PC, just any power supply. Now click and hold both buttons until the speaker turns off, and then it will turn on, and after that you have to release both buttons. So it will take probably around 15 seconds until this is gonna happen. There we go. Now keep holding and release, and now we are in the service mode. And now if you want to turn off this service mode, you have to just repeat. So we have to click and hold the play button and the Bluetooth button. So keep holding, wait that 10 or 15 seconds. If it is not working, you will have to just repeat. So now take a look. When I'm gonna unplug this cable, it's gonna turn off. When I'm gonna plug it back, it's gonna turn on. It's not gonna be reconnected into my phone. And just try again. Click on the play button and the Bluetooth button simultaneously and hold until the speaker turns off. There we go. And now when you unplug this cable, you can just turn on your speaker and be connected with any device. Right now the service mode is turned on.